Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my pre-poo routine that plays a huge part in my natural hair journey and why my hair is so healthy, long and strong. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I do this, definitely keep on watching. So I always like to pre-poo my hair with an oil blend, and this is my applicator bottle that I use for this whole process. And I have a standard base that I always make, which contains extra virgin olive oil, argan oil, and hemp seed oil. And then I just pour the oils into the bottle, and I don't really measure this. I just eyeball this until I think I have enough oil to cover my hair. So I received something in the mail that I really wanted to add in my oil blend today, which is this Noah's Choice Maximum Hair Growth Healing Ayurvedic Elixir. This organic product says that it strengthens the hair, prevents hair loss, promotes hair growth and thickness, even for bald spots, you guys, and reduces dry scalp and dandruff, helps prevent split ends, seals in the hair shaft, seals in moisture and shine, like a whole lot of benefits, you guys. And you know, keeping the ingredient list in my mind, these claims are probably 100% correct because this is pure, organic, and vegan. So as you can see, there are a lot of different oils in this product, which means I don't have to buy them all separately, which is great, okay? This is like an organic, Ayurvedic, concentrated, all-in-one oil that comes with a lot of great benefits. So I'm really excited to treat my dry scalp and flakiness with this. And normally I would just put the oil just like that onto my hair, but since the hair growth elixir says that this can be used as a hot oil treatment, I'll incorporate this step to really receive the maximum benefits of this treatment. Right now my hair is super tangled, dirty, and ready to be washed. Okay, today is Sunday. Sunday is my wash day, and I always do this pre-poo routine before washing my hair because this routine definitely like cuts the time in half in the shower. And what I do is very simple. I just section off my hair. My sections are quite big, and then I just spray my hair with some lukewarm water, and then I just apply the oil onto my hair. I begin with my scalp because I have dandruff and I really want my scalp to be moisturized a little bit before I pour the oil over the rest of my hair strands. So I work like in steps. When my scalp and ends are covered in the oil, I just begin to distribute the oil blend throughout the whole section. And then I go ahead and detangle my hair with a white tooth comb, okay? My hair has to be pretty oiled up before I can do this step because my hair is so tangled. I'm telling you guys, like I have a lot of hair. My hair is so freaking thick. It may look that I'm detangling my hair in 2 seconds in this clip, but in real life, this took me like 5 minutes. I'm really careful during this process because, yeah, I don't want to have a lot of breakage. So please do this carefully. And I really concentrate on putting the oil on my scalp because I have a lot of dandruff. So putting all of the different oils from the hair growth elixir plus my oil blend base does help to get rid of it. So when I'm done with the first round and I still have some oil left, I just repeat everything I did from start to finish again on all the sections, okay? In this round, I really take my time to coat every strand with the oil blend because I'm going to sit underneath a dryer, a hooded dryer, so I really want to have the maximum benefits of this. So for the finishing touch, I'm just applying a little bit more of the hair growth elixir to my edges, just for some extra TLC, you know, because I put a lot of stress on my edges. Like I do buns a lot and my edges are dry, so I need a little extra, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just massaging that in real quick, and also because I just want to improve the blood circulation in that area. And when I'm done, I just tie my hair up in the back and I apply a plastic cap. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put on my hooded dryer my ratchet to the dryer. Okay, but this is a lifesaver though. So I sit underneath my dryer for about 20 minutes and the hair dryer is on medium heat. So now on to the washing process. As you guys can see, I make sure my scalp is clean and my hair strands are clean, so there's no oil left. And I do this twice because the oil can be a lot. So definitely do this twice. And after shampooing, I go ahead and detangle my hair again with the conditioner that I always use. And yeah, just for some extra like boost of moisture, but my hair is already pre-detangled from the pre-poo routine, and that's why my wash days are a breeze. Like my wash days don't take as long in the shower as if I wouldn't pre-poo. Like back in the days, I wouldn't do that, but now like my hair is bomb because of that. Okay, I'm just saying. This routine definitely helps to get my healthy hair growth game on fleek. So this is my hair completely dried. I just have a leave-in conditioner in my hair for some moisture, and I'm just going to put a little bit more of these drops because I actually really like them on my edges again, because you know I just want to keep my edges safe and moisturized and stuff. So I'm just going to do that real quick on my edges, and like just to improve a little bit more shine on my hair. And my hair is really moisturized, you guys, even though I just used the leave-in conditioner. Okay, like this pre-poo routine always amazes me. I do this every time, so I definitely encourage you to incorporate that into your routine because it helped me so much. And guys, definitely check out Noah's Choice Hair Growth Healing Elixir because these drops did give a boost to my oil blend. So the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.